The first Australian McDonald's was opened in the Sydney suburb of Yagoona, 16 years after the company was founded in the US of A. It was followed by several other Sydney stores, also in 1973 by one in Springvale Road in Melbourne. The original Yagoona store closed in 1994. The Springvale Road building was demolished in 2016 to be replaced by an updated McDonald's. In 2021, McDonald's reopened the Yagoona store with decor harking back to its original 1970s beginning. The launch of the original Australian McDonald's on the 30th of December 1971 was a big event, with a chartered double-decker bus conveying guests to the opening. A man in a clown suit, possibly Ronald McDonald, handed out miniature yo-yos to children. Back then the prices were astounding. 20 cents for a burger, 49 cents for a Big Mac, and $1.20 for a chicken dinner. There are notable differences from the American menu, quite apart from the absence of root beer. We Aussies needed to have fries explained to us, and the fish and chicken menus were clearly designed to respond to our traditional fondness for fish and chips. The chicken and fish dinners consisted of chicken or fish along with French fries and coleslaw. Very interesting.
Viewers, this morning I'm just heading off to McDonald's at Yagoona. Now, because I just heard this on the radio. So McDonald's at Yagoona was the first McDonald's in Australia, which opened in 1971, and I was there. I was one of their first customers. Wow. Shows you how old I am, guys. So I'm going to go there and have a bit of a look, and they've got hamburgers going for 20 cents. So I'm going to buy one. Might never eat it, but I'll buy it anyway. I'll keep it. No, I might keep one. Buy two. Might keep one to preserve it. 1971 hamburger. The thing's never right anyway, those hamburgers at McDonald's. Might put it in a glass case. Say, McDonald's in 1971. This is my first hamburger. What do you think? Good idea, eh? So I'll show you around there. I haven't seen. They've built a new McDonald's there apparently. Maybe it's like, I think they've built it like the original one. So it might be the original design, the original colours, which is really nice. I don't like those new colours. You know, I used to like the old ones. Like the old Pizza Hut was really good too. Then it all changed. I don't eat Pizza Hut anymore. Or those, just only have Italian pizzas when I have one. Anyway, guys, come along. This should be fun. Okay, so oh, there I'm at the screen. Turn that one off now. I'm getting out. Gonna go have a look. Come on. Hello, can I get the original burger?
There's an image on or graphic on the wall.
Okay.
It's the old store.
Yeah.
So it's bringing sort of back the look, and then that's obviously from 1971 to what's happening.
Wow.
Yeah.
McDonald's here.
Uniforms.
Yeah, that's great, isn't it? I remember that.
Yeah.
It's times to change, haven't they, so much?
Yeah.
Of Australia. This is CEO of Australia. I think I've seen him on TV.
Yeah.
There's Ronald McDonald.
Yeah.
Haven't seen him for a long time. It's fantastic. He's done a great job. So how long did it take to build this?
Well, I don't know that, but I don't know the answer to that one. But
okay.
Yeah.
It's a shame. It's too new.
Yeah.
It should be like the old one. I remember the old one. It was like a little box thing, and you're walking over there, and there's only a few people in here because nobody knew about McDonald's back then, and it was a big thing at the time. That's amazing.
Things that people like you that remember the old store find this really like interesting and intriguing.
I'll just stay here all day, but I've got to go. I'm going to travel down south. I heard it on the radio this morning on TV.
Yes.
I thought, oh God, I'm going to hit there. That's awesome. On the way, and hopefully not too many people here. It's not too bad actually. I've got a parking spot outside.
Yeah, awesome.
And I thought I wouldn't be able to get a parking spot.
Yeah, because it's always it's a small site compared to the other McDonald's.
You can only go see McDonald's.
Yeah.
Just the McDonald's. Thank you. Hey Ronald.
Mate, how are you? Good to
I was in 1971.
I know, I remember you.
Yeah, I know, I remember you too. You look the same, you haven't aged one bit, mate.
Didn't you join the Air Force or something? Was that you?
How'd you know that? Oh yeah.
Oh, you still got the shirt. Oh.
Yeah, I did.
Well, it's good to be back here 50 years later.
Oh, it's fantastic.
Wow, yeah, you haven't changed a bit, except your shirt, of course.
I think younger than about 17, 18 or something.
Good, yeah.
And we came, we done, you know what McDonald's was.
Yeah.
And we came here, and the old store was like a box. You used to walk in over there.
Yes.
And there's a door over there, I remember that. And a bit of a car park there.
Yeah.
I should go and have some old photos, actually.
Yeah, you should have
I
brought
think I've got some old photos. I'm going to put them up on Facebook.
Yeah.
I'll put it at McDonald's.
Yeah.
What's the address for
Well,
McDonald's?
the girl to talk to is, where's Chloe? Is she
And the
around?
CEO's here too, is he?
Yes, he is. He's...
Oh, okay. I might go say hello to him. Maybe you can introduce me to him.
I will. I've got Chloe's doing our PR. We'll just do this photo. Hey, she is.
Well,
Chloe, this gentleman has some photos of the original.
Oh, I see you, the original.
Would you like us to send some to you?
So what's the address? It's McDonald's. I'll put it on McDonald's on Facebook.
An email address?
No, on Facebook. I can send it on Facebook if you want.
Probably best if you want to send it to our media email address.
Do you want to write it down?
Yeah, sure. Won't be a second.
Because that'd be great, I reckon.
Okay, sure. Out the front.
Thanks very much.
Yeah,
and you've also got the big boss here, the CEO.
Yeah, we do. Yeah, we do.
Actually, like to meet him.
Sure. What was your name?
Jeff.
Jeff. Okay.
Yeah, I was here at one of the first days in 1971. And I just heard on 2GB this morning, I was driving past. I got some old photos too when I was here. I'm Jeff. Nice to meet you.
Hey, here we are, 50 years later in the same place doing the same thing. Who would have thunk? I was here when we opened the very first McDonald's restaurant here in Australia. And it's great to see
So was I.
this. I know, so were you. And it's great to see so many of you here are neighbours. You've just walked across the road to get here. So that's great. We look forward to our ongoing relationships. Just keep the music. Oh, and Vince is our restaurant manager as well. Did I say that right?
Yes, you did. Thanks, Ronald.
All right, shall we do this together?
Yeah.
Well, anyone else like to say anything? No? All right, here we go.
Memories.
Ready? If you touch the bottom, you gotta kiss the nearest one.
Is that a Big Mac?
Oh, pay dirt, we got it! Hooray! Well, I'll just take this inside and cut it up.
It's all yours.
Can I have a big piece, please? Can I have a large piece?
A large piece. Oh, well, there's only enough of those. I'll give you a little sliver.
Thank you.
Well, thank you, everybody. Let's come back in another 50 years and do it again.
Thanks, Ronald. See you later. That was fun. Oh, look at it. It's a new building back now. It's a shame. Got to meet the CEO. Got to eat Ronald McDonald. He hasn't aged a bit. He looks the same old one. It's changed since. He's the original Ronald McDonald. I got to meet the original Ronald McDonald of Australia and the CEO of Australia. They're all happy that I was one of the first customers. I'm going to send them some old photographs. I'll probably put them up on this video too, guys. Anyway, let's move on. Thanks.